Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. So I'll take a couple minutes and check out some older Matchbox construction vehicles from the late 70s. Starting here with number 48, the Sambron Jacklift. So just a quick look at the box to start. Pretty good condition. A little bit of wear, but cool to have the box. I do have this cool little forklift, which is pretty much dead mint. Of course, it goes up and down, no problem. Quality build like the old Matchbox vehicles. Little cockpit there. There's no seats or anything in this one. Or no seat. Probably a one-seater. But a nice little piece of construction equipment. I imagine there's some people out there who don't collect construction type vehicles, but I like them. Anyways, here's the other one I wanted to check out here. The Bomag Road Roller. Now the box on this one's in, I'd say, terrific condition. Very few flaws. But a very clean box. And this one's late 70s. I didn't actually look up the year on these. And yeah, here is the road roller itself. Pretty cool. Yeah, the wheels move and the big roller part that moves as well. Very cool to have. Maybe not the most exciting vehicles in the world, but I think everybody should have some construction vehicles in their collection. If anything, just to round it out. Hope everybody enjoyed checking those out. And thanks for watching.